आने वाले समय के आप वो हैं जहाँ पे दुनिया देखेगी ये सितारे हैं।
मैंने जितने भी मलखम वाले एड्स देखे हैं,
खड़े हो गया, स्पीच बोलेगा वो, जैसे स्पीच बोलेगा जैसे कि बोलूँगा मैं रेडी अपना कर दूँगा, रेडी में स्पीच बोलेगा जब एक अपना नाम लेगा पलटन का बस तो पहला स्टेप रेडी होगा।
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the.
These are the army persons and 8th Battalion of Indian Army. IIT भिलाई, IIT भुवनेश्वर, IIT दिल्ली, IIT धनबाद, IIT धनबाद, IIT धनबाद, and this is IIT Gandhinagar. और ये IIT गोवा के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव दो हैं, सिर्फ दो लोग ही आए हैं और काफ़ी और लोगों का मैच चालू है अभी। IIT गुवाहाटी, IIT हैदराबाद। हो मैम आप, ये मैम तो IIT कानपुर वाली हैं, IIT हैदराबाद पहुंच गई हैं। और ये IIT इंदौर, and this is the IIT Jammu. और ये है IIT जोधपुर। IIT खड़गपुर, सर नहीं सर, नवीन सिंगल 2.0 आया हुआ है। सुनील सर बड़े सीरियस होके खड़े हुए हैं। हाय सर, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
माय मिस्टेक ब्लॉग खड़े लाइन में आज कोई काम नहीं।
आज माय मिस्टेक ब्लॉग का कोई वीडियो बन नहीं पाएगी क्योंकि इन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया हुआ है, तो आज इनको मैं कवर कर रहा हूँ। आज नवीन सिंगल 2.0 कवर कर रहा है। एवरीबॉडी अंशु है सर। ये पूरी फुटबॉल टीम इधर ही है।
ये रहा,
ये रहा,
ये रहा,
ये रहा।
मैं जीत गया।
हमेशा की तरह मैं आपका होस्ट नवीन सिंगल 2.0। मैं आज वॉलेंटियर बना।
Stands out as one of the fastest growing IIT in the country. In March, hosting welcomes all participants to its vibrant campus, fostering a sense of camaraderie and sportsmanship. Motto: knowledge is for well-being of everyone. With a modern infrastructure and a focus on holistic development, their athletes are ready to make their mark in the competition and contribute to the grandeur of the speech.
Marching proudly is IIT Jammu, bringing our spirited and
Rajasthan and traditions meet innovation. The team from IIT Jodhpur marches forward with the pride of Marwar Region. Led by Mr. Vasudev Rao, represents the spirit of resilience, excellence and unity, blending cultural heritage with modern aspirations. Situated in the heart of Thar Desert, IIT Jodhpur is renowned not only for its groundbreaking research in artificial intelligence and robotics, but also for fostering sportsmanship and holistic development. Motto: you are the entire knowledge and science.
the contingent from IIT Kharagpur, led by Mr. Shomit Chatterjee, marches with immense pride, reflecting the discipline and perseverance the institute is known for. As the oldest IIT established in 1951, IIT Kanpur, IIT
hold its legacy of excellence, renowned for its consistent triumphs in the General Championship. Their athletes led this year by Mr. Sudhakar K. The motto, Siddhar Bhavati Karmajami, success comes through hard work. After last year's emphatic win, the defending champions are back here, ready to take
Is a harmonious blend of academic brilliance and a profound connection to nature. Led by Dr. Chandra Singh, their contingent reflects resilience, determination, and a drive to excel. As the first IIT with a fully residential campus in the serene hills, IIT Mandi stands tall as a beacon of sustainability and innovation.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, we have a contingent from IIT Patna. Marches forward with the motto, one who aspires wisdom attains it. Led by Dr. Manish Singh. The IIT Patna contingents embodies pride and ambition.
Next, we have IIT Palakkad. IIT Palakkad, situated in Kerala near the Western Ghats, is known for its serene environment and focus on holistic development. This year, their contingent is led by Dr. Santa Kumar Mohan, who inspires their team to aim high.
Marching smartly towards the saluting dais, we have the contingent from IIT Ropar, established in 2008, a young and dynamic institute located in the vibrant state of Punjab. Surrounded by region's rich cultural heritage, IIT Ropar is dedicated to nurturing both intellectual growth and physical and ambition. Marching forward with confidence, they embody the determination and excellence with the motto, Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat, means deploy our intellect on the right path.
Next, we have IIT Roorkee, one of the oldest engineering institutions in Asia. IIT Roorkee stands tall with its legacy of excellence. This year's contingent, led by Mr. Mahavir Singh, reflects the institute's grit and determination. With a history dating back to 1847, IIT Roorkee is a trailblazer in both academics and athletics. Known for its vibrant campus and state-of-the-art facilities, the athletes march with the resolve to honor their institute's remarkable traditions.
Next, we have IIT Tirupati. Located near the renowned Tirumala Venkateshwara Temple, IIT Tirupati is an institute that blends academic rigor with cultural depth. This year's contingent is led by Dr. Bahu Raj M, smartly marching with their chest swelling with pride. One of the new IITs, it is embarked on a journey towards a strong foundation both in academics and sports.
Finally, we welcome the host of this year's Inter-IIT Sports Staff Meet, IIT Kanpur, with their contingent led by Dr. Kumar Ravi Priya. As the host institution, IIT Kanpur marches with unparalleled lead we delight, embodying the spirit of
IIT Roorkee.
excellence and unity that defines our institute. Nestled in the heart of India, IIT Kanpur has been a trailblazer in academics, innovation and sportsmanship. This year, as we welcome contingents from across the country, our athletes lead with determination, showcasing not only their talent, but also the warmth and hospitality. With every strike, the players channel the spirit of their home ground. Please give a big round of applause to the host team marching on their
ये आश्वासन दे रहे हैं कि देश सुरक्षित हाथों में। और लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इसके बाद आपका ध्यान ले जाना चाहेंगे आज राजपूताना राइफल्स के मिलिट्री बैंड की ओर। राजपूताना राइफल्स भारतीय सेना की सबसे पुरानी रेजिमेंट्स में से एक, 250 सालों का प्रेरणादायक इतिहास, जिसके दौरान रेजिमेंट के शूरवीरों ने पहले और दूसरे विश्व युद्ध से लेकर वर्तमान के सभी संघर्षों में अपनी बहादुरी और बलिदान से विजय का इतिहास ही हो या कारगिल युद्ध की, इस रेजिमेंट ने हमेशा दुश्मन को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया है। मैं यहाँ दोहराना चाहूंगा, ओलंपिक चैंपियन श्री नीरज चोपड़ा भी इसी रेजिमेंट से ताल्लुक रखते हैं। मोटो वीर हो गया और रामचंद्र की जय। मिलिट्री बैंड भारतीय सेना का एक अभिन्न अंग है, फिर चाहे पारंपरिक उत्सवों, परेड या फिर विजय का उद्घोष, और सभी कंटिजेंट अपने अपने निर्धारित स्थान की तरफ बढ़ते हुए